No, I have to bring them a little with ice. They need ice. They're fancy. Sophie, look at the dog. I think Fina's too short for that. Sophie doesn't know what it is. Yay, you got it. No, it's just... Oh, the first time she got a water fountain.